All right, it is movie review time again, and I just got through watching the 2023 movie, The Flood. Now, this movie has a super limited release in theaters, and it can currently be found on Apple and Vudu and probably some other places. It is set in Louisiana during a hurricane. There's a busload of inmates who are being moved from one facility to another, and because of the storm, they have to stop at a jail in a very small city. And there's some other people who are trying to break one of the inmates out, and there's some alligators. So you think inmates, hurricane, alligators, hey, that might make, pretty interesting movie. It does not. If it was not for Winnie the Pooh, Blood and Honey, this would be the worst movie of the year so far. The acting is horrible. And you know what's worse than the acting? The writing. The writing is disastrous. There's tons of cliches in this movie, and even when it's not trying to be cliche, it's trying to do something that's, hey, we're not being cliche. It does not work. It's supposed to be kind of a horror movie with the alligators and all. It was more like a comedy. I laughed several times at how ridiculous and over the top it is, and the CGI in this is terrible. They wasted their money on it for sure. This is a movie, if you remember the old TV series, I think it was called Mystery Science Theater 3000, something like this. This would have been a prime candidate to be on that show. It is just horrible. I would not waste my money at all. If it ever makes it onto a streaming service, I would not. I mean, you would have to have absolutely nothing. The streaming service would have had to have gotten rid of everything they had, and this be the only thing on there, and you have no TV and no books to read and no internet and no radio, nothing but this, and then I still wouldn't watch it. It's that bad. Skip it. Don't worry about it. Just put it out of your mind that it even exists. I wonder, and I don't know for sure, I wonder if some of these people in this movie took these roles because they were trying to just get their SAG card. I don't know, but it is bad. In fact, it's so bad, I'm going to give it no stars. 0 stars out of 5.